Call me, baby, check me on that chicken and all night, I'll wait for your reply. Now listen here, I can't wait for you to die. I'd look you in the eyes, book your clothes. You don't seem to understand. Owls just copacetic. Number after cry, I'm a little dizzy, but it's all gonna end. Why, all the ones that I love is hung up the telephone time after time after time after time after hiding time again, I'll only speak to you, and maybe you should give me back the love I used to you. I've given up on any kind of hope that's left for me. The wires on the telephone are tangled around me. I can tell you this, all time is just I'm ticking away now, hey now, for you, ignoring my demise after talking after I've called you 43rd time, it's driving me mad. Call me, baby. 1, 2, 3, 4. My mind is up and it's busy. Where are you going, my darling? Something's the matter, left alone. Where are you going, my darling? Something's the matter, stay at home. Why do you never talk to me? Something's the matter, left alone. Where are you going, my darling? Something's the matter, stay at home. Why do you never talk to me? It's so that tight. It's so living time. It's so I tried. It's so you're alive. It's so tight. It's so living time. It's so I tried, it's so I'm alive. Ha ha. I have. Ha ha. After time, I'll tell you is all time is just a ticking away now, lay down for you. Never more forever, forward love is nothing but a waste. Join your hands in a beautiful marriage, it's driving me mad. So life is just a ticking away. For you, out it goes and sewing words. Say I do and I'm the world, baby, now for the 87th time. It's driving me, all we finally let be. Chuck me on the cheek and then all night I'll wait for your reply. Now listen here, I can't wait for you to die. I'd look you in the eyes, but that pulse. Here don't seem to understand.
All's just copacetic.
Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Ha ha. Number after cry, I'm a little dizzy that it's all gonna end. Why all the ones that I love have hung up the telephone time after time after time after time after time and time again, I'll only speak to you, and maybe you should give me back the love I gave to you. I've given up on any kind of hope that's left for me. The wires on the telephone are tangled around. Tell you this, all time is just a ticking away. Hey now, for you, ignoring my demise after dark and after I've called you for the 110th time. It's driving me mad.